Oh my god, am I really even gonna show you guys this? I don't even... Is this too embarrassing to show? Is this even allowed? Honestly, I don't know, but I guess it's a little late for that because I just showed it. Hi guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my closet. Welcome back to Amber Cleans Her Closet for the 50 billionth time. I shop a lot. It's no secret, you know, when you have a channel dedicated to like shopping, it just be like that most of the time. So, in honor of the new year, I'm gonna kind of cleanse the palette and, you know, donate all the things that I don't need anymore to make more space for all the other stuff that I want to buy. Just being honest. So yeah, this video is gonna take a really long time, so we should probably get started. Try not to judge me too hard, okay? Okay, so you know, if I don't film the floor, it actually looks pretty good. But this is my closet, which you've seen me, like I said, organize a million jillion times. It's kind of color coordinated, sort of. All my shoes are always in pristine condition because they are my children, except the ones down there. They need a lot of help. But it's also over here. I've got a bunch of drawers and yeah, they're full of, I don't even know, like what's even in here. A lot of really weird stuff. Like I said, you know, you just end up buying a lot of stuff when you have to do hauls all the time and whatnot. So a girl's got a lot of things. So we're just gonna, I don't even know where to start. I need to channel my inner Marie Kondo. We should probably start with all the things on the floor because that's the part that's like making my life very hellish. So, all the stuff on the floor shall come outside. Wow, that lighting transition was crazy. Okay, let's start. Okay, so now everything that was on the floor of my closet is just on the floor of my bedroom. George, do you want to play in the pile like leaves? No? God, this pile's like bigger than me and this is just what was on the floor. Okay, so we're gonna do a keep pile and a giveaway pile. Okay, work. This could be really cute. Boop. Keep. Why do I have one random insulated glove? I'm actually pretty sure this was from when I was in Iceland, but I lost the other one, so I don't need to keep one. So, he shall start the giveaway. Or maybe this can just keep you company. You like to chew on stuff. Here you go, Angel. I love you. Okay, so this is usually the problem. Giveaway. Keep. I just like everything that I buy. So this is why cleaning out my closet is hard, is because I always want to keep everything. But yeah, that's not gonna count as cleaning out my closet. So we're gonna go through the keep pile again and see what I actually need to keep and what is actually probably gotta go. I'm tired, I don't want to do it. Ah! Oh god. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I admit I probably don't need this. Though I do feel like Carol Baskin. Woo! Alright! Not particularly flattering, but very cool! Okay, fine, I don't need this either. Look, honey, we're twins. He doesn't care. You move spots, honey? You're just watching me be crazy now? You're so regal. Oh, you look so beautiful in my little Parisian dress, honey. Superstar. Oh my god, the feathery skirt I got in Thailand, definitely a necessity. Why do I have these? I don't really know, to be honest. But they're definitely pretty spicy. Ooh. I'm keeping these. Ah yes, only the necessities. Oh, two of the exact same shirts still with tags on them. This is worse than I thought. Just even trying all this stuff on is hilarious. Oh, it's a denim mullet. Ooh, ooh. Oh boy, do I wear these outside? Yes. Not gonna lie, I'm not 100% sure why I bought this or where I found this. Kind of fun though. I look like 1982 threw up. All right, the giveaway pile is growing. By the way, I just got a new pretty rug. Isn't this nice? Extra nice now that you can, you know, see it. Okay. Back in we go. Oh my god, I completely forgot I had this. Cool. Keep that. Look at how fierce this is. Oh my god, I forgot I had this. And the orange one too. Ooh. I'm gonna put everything back on hangers so it's easier for me to hang. Oh, this is taking forever. Now we gotta venture into the part that wasn't just the stuff on the floor. What's actually in the closet? I gotta hang this up. This is my college degree. I don't know why I have that sitting there, but okay. Anyways. Wow, it's so much nicer without a bunch of stuff on the floor. Just, you know, some extra hangers. Okay, so. Well, I should probably start in this corner. You guys know my shoes are absolutely my babies. Oh my god, look at them. I love them. So yeah, that's why those are actually honestly usually still very organized. You know, A, because I love them, and B, I haven't worn heels in months. Because where am I going? So sad my hoe clothes think I died. But okay, so I should probably clean this section up though, because this is a little chaotic. Okay, I don't need 400 hats, but we're gonna leave them there anyway. Maybe I'll just like reorganize the shoes a little bit. Oh my god, I love these boots. I really gotta get some of those like boot thingies so these don't sog over like that. I'm assuming they have those on Amazon, so I'm gonna go on Amazon and order some. Anything to procrastinate actually cleaning. Okay, no. Okay, let's see. I mean, that's a little better. Not great, but sort of. I haven't even shown you guys these yet. Look at this. Oh my god! This was a craft that I did. Aren't these so beautiful? Oh my god. Even the laces are sparkly. This is a special little project I'm working on, so stay tuned for the reveal on that. But super cool. Anyways, love crafts. That's what I did in quarantine. Maybe I'll wear these for the rest of the video. Okay. I have honestly a lot of clothes that oh my god. So sad there's like nowhere to go anymore, but fabulous, 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 fabulous. Thank god I can show this off in this YouTube video. Oh boy. Okay, this is that yellow dress that doesn't fit me at all. I don't know why I still have this. God, what else do I have in here? This is like a whole little vintage Dior set. Oh my god, it's amazing. I love this so much. I haven't worn this on Instagram yet. I should. What else? Oh, we got this. I don't really know where I'm going in this, but I'm gonna keep that. Oh, got my Savage X Fenty corsets. Beautiful. That's that. That's this. Ooh, wow, I forgot I had this. This is fun. 2 pairs of pink denim jeans. I guess I'll keep that. I don't know. A really random, really long dress. Ooh, this is so unnecessary. The glamour. Definitely do not need this, so this is actually quite a pretty dress. I love this dress, but I've already worn this a few times, and I don't really need it anymore. I'm probably going to put this on my Poshmark because, like I said, I've already worn it. Can't really wear it again, but yeah, I'll list that. I'll probably put this in a couple of my like other really nice things on there. So anyways, there we go. Whoosh. I actually never took the tag off this, I just realized, which is hilarious, but I did wear it a few times, so. Brand new, except worn with tags. Space Cadet Kelly. I have 3 of the exact same suit for unknown reasons. I could probably spare to get rid of 1 or 2 of those. I hate getting rid of stuff. Oh, I got this really pretty dress in my eBay haul. Watches Bridgerton once. Sexy Bridgerton modern day hoe looks. Fun, I'm gonna keep this. I feel like a princess. Okay, what's next? Random empty hangers. Ooh, another Chanel skirt. This is nice. I don't ever wear this though. I might sell this too. Oh, wow, I forgot about this. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love this. Definitely keeping that. Just a moment again to appreciate the beauty. Oh, look how those are sparkling. Oh. One of the crowning achievements of my life is my shoe collection. I'm not even kidding. I'm most proud of my YouTube channel and this. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. Oh my god, the denim section of my closet honestly stresses me out because I just have so much stuff. Why do I have so many pairs of jeans? Oh my god, I love this jacket. This is staying too. It is really hard to clean stuff out when you like everything. Isn't this so cute, by the way? This looks like something I would have worn when I was like a child from Limited 2. 18th century meets Limited 2. I look about as crazy as I am. Okay, let's see. What else can I get rid of here? Oh my god, do you guys remember this? Oh, this was that jacket I got in Dubai. Oh, I actually made this top. I don't think I ever showed you guys this, but isn't this really cool? I weirdly have a lot of crafts that I've like never posted, but I got really bored in the beginning of 2020 and like basically just bedazzled everything, but this is a really cool shirt. You can never have too many feathery skirts, so we're gonna keep that. Oh, wow, I forgot. Wow, I'm finding so many new things in here. I bought so much stuff over the years, it's like a mall. I don't know if that's cool or alarming. By the way, fun fact, that isn't actually my only closet. This is actually a closet too. I think I've shown you guys this before, but yeah, I have another full closet. Full of stuff like Justin Bieber sweatshirts. This I got on Etsy. This is so cool. Someone custom made this for me. It's amazing. I could probably get rid of some of this. I keep finding so much random stuff. This is such a serve. Look at that. Okay, I need to focus though. I look like I'm 97. Wow, I forgot I had this belt. This is so cool. Oh my God, so 2001. Work it, work it, work it. I could play dress up all day. Thank God this is my job. Okay. Cleaning. Oh, dun dun dun. The drawers. Weirdly, I've cleaned these out a bunch of times and I keep on still having tons of random stuff in them. Like maybe we'll just keep that drawer like it is. Ugh. Oh no. Okay, but no, for real though, I need to organize this. Let's Marie Kondo. I should clean what's under here out too, because I don't even know. It's just a bunch more boxes. What is this? An empty box of nothing. Great. Oh God, so many empty boxes. Ah! All right, that looks a little better. Kind of. I should probably put my ice skates somewhere else. You guys know I was an ice skater for many years, right? I've only done one video about it, but yeah, I was actually a competitive figure skater if you didn't know that for many years, so I can still twist and turn. Your girl's still got it. Ugh, I say as I can like barely stand up off the ground because I'm old as shit. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere. This is my swimsuit drawer full of all my favorite swimsuits. This is my current favorite one, by the way. This is just such a banger ass swimsuit. I love it. And it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. Good steal. Oh my God, there is so much stuff. My clothes are like rabbits. I swear they're just like multiplying. I don't understand how there's like more than what I started with. I mean, I don't understand math anyway, but like what's going on? Oh, I'm so tired. I'm not even close to done. By the way, like I said, I'm going to list some of the stuff on my Poshmark, but mostly everything I'm going to donate to a women's shelter downtown. So if you guys want to donate there too, I linked their address below. So, you know, do a little good in the world. Make some people feel fabulous. I should probably get rid of the 400 empty boxes that I have. Oh no. I feel like I've changed 400 times. This is exhausting. Still gotta hang this up. By the way, are y'all ready for the life hack of the century? Since I am very crafty, I'll show you guys how to do this really quick. You ever wonder how to hang this? Line that up. Mark that. Put that up there. Put the nails in the holes. And boom! Perfect hang every time. I don't know if there's ever been a video where I got to share that hack before, so there you go. Anyways, that's how you do it. Yay! Much better than on the floor. Yes, you guys. I started this many hours ago in the daylight. It is now night. Hi, Pumpkin. Have we been doing this for 49 hours? Yeah. Well, are you ready for the grand reveal? Even though it's not really done yet, and it honestly kind of looks like I barely did anything, but it's been like 11 and a half hours. So, here we go. Da-na-na-na-na, drum roll please. Ta-da! You can see the floor! Dun, da-da. Now it looks kind of, sort of clean. Wow, I can't believe you can see the floor. That's crazy. I admit I haven't seen the floor in a minute. Okay, so I'll give you the grand tour of the closet. Okay, it looks like I didn't get rid of anything, but I really got rid of a lot of stuff. Of course, I kept, you know, the best of the best stuff, like this jacket I still have from when I DIY'd it so many years ago. I love this jacket. Anywhoosie. You can see we got the denim over here. Everything's on these like black velvety hangers with the gold handles because I love that. It's somewhat color coordinated. Like we got pink over here, all the white over there, and then all of my like darker colors. I kept all my shopping bags everywhere because I never plan on getting rid of those. Didn't really do too much here because I got tired, but my drawers, ta-da! Honestly, I just kind of got rid of most of the stuff in here because I just didn't really need it anymore and I figured someone else could use it more than me. But I did organize the drawers a little bit. Like, I know this doesn't look organized, but to me this is organized. Pink, orange, yellow, gray, cheetah. Everything is at least folded, so that's a plus. My shoes are somewhat in order, kind of. Is this the best organizing in the world? No, absolutely not. But at least it's not a disaster. I'm just gonna wear different shoes for every scene in this video. And my degree is hung! You know what I honestly think I really need to do is kind of convert this from just being a large thingamajigger into maybe something with drawers. Kind of like another one of these, but right there. So I'm gonna go shop for that right now. Any excuse to buy more stuff. No, I'm kidding, but So, thank you guys for watching the closet clean out. I will see you guys on Sunday for another Girl's Guide to Life. Very exciting one. It's gonna be super good. And I love you. I'll see you guys next time. XO. Maybe I'll just sleep in my closet. Maybe I'll just live in here.